We got in line behind what looked like a good humor truck, but this guy wasn't scooping ice cream. We each got a bag or two of Rio Grande Cutthroat trout, New Mexico's state fish, but present today in only about 10% of its original habitat. Doesn't that face seem to be asking for a ride down to the river? It's a big ask, but down, 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 down we went. Once at the bottom, the trout got their first look at the big river from inside their personal bubble. This gives them time to acclimate to the temperature of the Rio. Finally, after a 2.5-hour ride from the hatchery in that ice cream truck and a 30-minute piggyback ride 300 feet down the cliffside trail, they are home in the Rio Grande.
You gonna go for more?
We have to go up, but I don't know about more.
Maybe not.
This is an ongoing project of the Bureau of Land Management and the New Mexico Department of Wildlife, and anglers on the river, as well as the scientists in charge, say it is proving successful. So we'll be back to do it again next spring.